There are many different types of hardware wallets available for purchase, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. Some of them have different functions, but the main purpose is to still keep your cryptocurrency safe by allowing you to control your keys. So a hardware wallet is basically being like your own bank, where you can decide when you want to transfer funds, to whom you want to transfer it to, and where you would like to transfer those funds. So without a third party agreeing or disagreeing whether you can or cannot do so. So with the recent crypto collapse, it sort of emphasized the importance of having your own non-custodial wallets so that you can control your own fund. And in our last video, we unboxed SafePal wallet, which works seamlessly with the app and allows you to access all sorts of dApps in their wallet. But today, let's compare the two other market leaders, Trezor and Ledger, to see where SafePal stands. Hola Mamshais and Parachongs, my name is Jordan and welcome to Coins YouTube channel. So recently, all these crypto exchanges closing down might have shaken your confidence in crypto, but fret not, today we'll be comparing 3 different hardware wallets that you can use to safely store and secure your cryptocurrencies. So the 3 wallets that we have is the Nano Ledger X, the Trezor One, and SafePal S1. We'll be using 3 different categories to compare these wallets, and you can be the judge of which one fits you better. So remember my mumshis and parachongs that there are no one size fits all, and it all really depends on your budget, your usage type, and the knowledge, which can ultimately decide whether you choose a wallet or you choose another wallet. So the categories that we'll be using is security features, the knowledge required, and the price. So the first category is a security feature, which is probably the most important one. So all 3 wallets provide great security as long as your seed phrases are kept safe and you double check before signing or approving any type of transactions, and that will kind of more or less ensure that your crypto is safe. But in my honest opinion, the Ledger and Trezor requires a physical wire or a Bluetooth to connect to your wallet, or either Ledger Live or Trezor Bridge, which is a software used to access your wallets, or maybe even if you are using MetaMask as one of your third-party wallets. But SafePal on the other hand is somewhat air-gapped, because there's no physical connection between the wallet and the application, and everything is done by QR code scanning, which means that your wallet is never really connected to a device that is connected to the internet, and that sort of reduces the chances of your wallet getting hacked or getting accessed without your permission. However, security features is only one part of the equation. The other part of the equation is user knowledge in setting up and using these wallets. So personally, I've used all 3 wallets, and the way that they function can be very different in some way. But the main concept is still pretty similar. And having used all these wallets, SafePal seems to be the easiest ones for beginners because setting up can be done via your smartphone through an app, which we have covered in a previous video. So if you're looking to get a SafePal S1, links will be in the description down below where you can get yourself a SafePal S1 wallet. So between Ledger and Trezor, the Trezor will require a little more getting used to because you have to import your wallet into MetaMask to access ERC20 based tokens and NFTs. For chains that are supported by Trezor Suite, you need third-party wallets and then importing your wallet to access assets in that particular chain, which requires a little more knowledge. So Ledger has the Ledger Live support that currently supports main chains like ERC20, TRC20, MPE5, Solana, and much more. However, something I found out about the Ledger is that the device has a space limit when it comes to installing apps. So in the Ledger ecosystem, you need to install apps which will allow you to access different chains. So for example, if you are holding Bitcoin in Ledger, you will need to install a Bitcoin app. And if you are holding Ethereum, you have to install an Ethereum app. And all these are all available within Ledger Live. But each Ledger device comes with a space, which means that there will be a limit of how much apps you can install before needing to uninstall them for new chains if you're exploring new DeFi protocols. So from a knowledge point of view, SafePal will be the easiest one to get started with, followed by Ledger and then Trezor. But do not let this disqualify Trezor and Ledger because they both have their merits as well, and if you are a seasoned crypto player or have been in the scene for a while, Ledger and Trezor will be pretty much easy for you to handle.
The OG ones?
So lastly, we got the second most important consideration, which is price. So the price of the wallet can be a major considering factor because depending on your crypto portfolio, it could be the difference between buying a $50 wallet and a $150 wallet. So let's say if you got $1,000 in crypto, maybe it's a bit more justifiable to purchase a $50 hardware wallet over a $150 wallet, because $50 is 0.5% of your portfolio as compared to $150, which is 1.5%, but then again, this is really up for debate. The SafePal wallet starts at $49.99 and it is the most cost-effective of the lot that we are comparing today. So I think that this is great for beginners who's getting their toes wet in the crypto scene. And for $49.99, the SafePal S1 feels pretty good in the hands. It has a directional pad for navigation, a 1.3-inch display, and a camera that at the back for QR code scanning. The only thing that bothers me is the shape, which is much larger when compared to the other two contenders. So next in line, you have the Trezor one, which is $20 more at $69.90. So at $69.90, you will require a little bit more knowledge to operate this device, and it feels more plasticky as compared to the other two contenders. The Trezor has only two buttons, one to cancel and the other one to approve transactions, and a 128x64 pixel OLED panel. So there is a newer model, which is the Trezor T, which features a touchscreen display but comes at a premium of $220. So Ledger is considered the most premium one in this category because there used to be a Nano S, but that is probably not being sold or out of production and is now replaced by the Nano S Plus. So the Nano S Plus is $79 and the version that I have is the Nano X, which is $149. For the premium price that you are paying, the Ledger feels a lot more premium in your hands with a polished metal swivel cover that protects the 128x64 pixel OLED screen. So this might be the time you'll be asking, which wallet should I buy? If you're a beginner, SafePal S1 will be the best wallet to start with. So being cheaper and easier to set up, it allows you to get comfortable using a hardware wallet in your crypto journey. But if you already have some experience and would like to explore different chains or DeFi protocols, the Ledger will definitely be an upgrade because of the ability to link with third-party wallets that allows you to explore the multiverse of DeFi protocols that's available. So Trezor is probably the wallets for the OGs or for people who already have been crypto for a while. So even for me, my very first wallet was a Trezor as well, and maybe that is why it's a lot easier for me to get used to using the other two wallets. So that's all the time we have for today's video. Do let us know in the comments down below which wallet do you guys use or you guys are looking to purchase. And as always, do drop us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.